Besides earthquakes, logarithms are also used in the measurement of acidity, which is the pH scale. So on the pH scale, 0 is the lowest value, and that would be super acidic. And 14 is the highest value, and that would be super basic. So let's look at 13. Acidity is measured on the pH scale. The acidity of a substance is given by negative log of H, where H is the concentration of hydrogen ions. If a substance has an H value of 0.0006, what is the pH of the substance, rounded to the nearest tenth? So I really just need to use this formula. So my pH is equal to negative log of 0.0006. And if I type that in on my calculator and round to the nearest tenth, that's equal to 3.2.